Hi, this is Bill Maddox from the SMDP Online here in Durham, New Hampshire. And I have with me today Nancy Lee. She's our facilitator for SMDP Online, Gendered Systems Thinking and Adaptation for Savings Groups, SACCOs, and other member-based finance programs, which will offer online from February 25th to May 31st, 2019. We're really excited about this course. We've run similar courses in the past with Nancy, and the participants really think very highly of what they gain and what they're able to take away from the course to apply to their jobs. As one of our participants has said, this course taught me not what to think, but how to think. And another said, it's like the saying, the toughest thing you'll ever love. So, Nancy, what are students talking about?
So, thanks, Bill. Excited to be back working with you too. Two things we know. One is informal and semi-formal savings groups, producer groups, SACCOs. They're really important mechanisms to support households and businesses, particularly to save and build assets, but also to borrow and cope with emergencies. These models reach remote rural areas in ways that institutions simply cannot and will not in the near future. What we also know is that how the model works in each context, it's highly contextual. And so we really need to understand in different contexts the gendered power dynamics in which the programs sit and which the organizations sit, without addressing or at least understanding these broader systems, things like everything from demographic trends, political will, the big strategic questions that can really unlock and leverage change. Without asking those, asking smaller questions about access and scale, group governance are merely tinkering. So we ground this course in systems thinking, and as the title says, gendered analysis, to help practitioners really come up to 30,000 feet, really look at the big picture at the systemic level, while it's grounded in action research in the organization and with the groups. So it helps practitioners ground in practical strategic questions and adaptive problem solving. That means we look at history and we look at the local systems in which each of the practitioners are operating. Not only the financial and economic system, but also the political and the system of social norms that often perpetuates these other systems and inequities, the gendered power dynamics. So this course combines latest research and sound practices in member-owned microfinance, community finance, with on-the-ground support for organizational research. As I said, you're going to roll up your sleeves and ask an action research question grounded in the institutional issues that you're facing right now. What are the most strategic questions that you can ask? So by the end of the course, regardless of your research background, you're going to advance your ability to research, to write, to think strategically, ask good questions, do critical reflection, and of course, improve your program in terms of stronger outreach, impact, and structural change. You'll have my support as a facilitator, Bill's, of course, and we really focus on peer support and peer coaching as well. So by the end, you will have pilot tested a field tool and grounded it in an overall action research project that again is grounded in your organizational dynamics. So we look forward to having you. Please join us. We have a range of participants from around the world, so there's as much learning across our own experiences as drawing from the case studies. Look forward to having you. Thank you.
Great, thanks so much, Nancy. Really appreciate hearing those details of the course. And we want to let people know that we do have a number of MasterCard scholarships that will pay for almost the full tuition. We just ask for a small 10% contribution. You can go to the SMDP online website for gendered systems analysis, and you can find the application, the description of the course, everything else you need there. So just go ahead and Google SMDP online gendered systems, and you'll find our course and the link. And if you're watching this via a mailing we sent you, the link is right there in the mailing. So thanks very much, Nancy, and I hope everyone will sign up and join this course. You'll really enjoy it, and you'll learn a lot and gain a lot for your organization that you can put to use immediately. Thank you.
Thank you.